Hello everyone, hope your week's going well. I wanted to make a video to make sure that you all understood how to use the link to get to your assignments. So just in case, and I hope that this isn't a problem, but sometimes you might be in your module, and when you're in your module, maybe the link to your assignment might not work. And the assignment I'm talking about is the assignments in MyLab Math. So the MyLab Math can be accessed directly through this link over here on the left-hand side. You can see I'm over here on the left that says MyLab Math. So if for any reason the link to your assignment doesn't work, you can get to MyLab Math directly over here on the left-hand side. So if you click on that, you can go to all assignments, and you might need to continue to a new window. There's all of your assignments. So if you're on Module 1, Lesson 1, there it is, or whatever the case might be. So something else I want to make sure you're aware of is if you're in the problem and you can see the drop-down menu and it says that number 1 has been marked wrong. But don't despair. If you're in the module lesson assignment, you can always try a new problem and try to get that right. Okay, so in this case, now hopefully this will go and say that now 1 has been done correctly. And if I miss a problem, I didn't even read the problem, maybe this is, okay, that's wrong. So now you can try again. Notice that it's been marked wrong. I'll just go ahead and exit out. Number 2 has been marked wrong, but you can go and you can hit similar problem and a similar problem will pop up, or try again, whatever the wording is. You can always try a problem again. Okay, so if you get a problem wrong, don't give up. You can always try again on these lesson assignments. Now, if you go to a quiz, get out of here for a second. If you go to a quiz, and notice I'm not saving anything. You don't have to save. It automatically saves for you. If you go to a MyLabs quiz, there's all the module lesson assignments. But here we have application activities and tests. Okay, you can try these, I believe, 2 times. Let's see. Here it says unlimited attempts. But you can try these multiple times, and I will take your best score. Okay, so if you want to try it again, you can always try it again, and it won't hurt your grade. Okay, so persistence is the key there. All right, back to the lessons. So for these lessons, if you're stuck, we have question helps over here, and the question help will give you the textbook. Sometimes those question helps will give you more than just the textbook. Sometimes they will give you, let's see if this one here. Sometimes they will give you an example or walk you through how to solve that particular problem, okay? Or even a video. So these lesson helps over here are very, very useful. And in addition, you can try the problem an infinite number of times up to the due date. All right, so hopefully that helps you in case you need to know how to access your MyLabs assignment. If a link is broken, it's a reminder that you can try a problem an infinite number of times. There's question helps, and maybe just some other tips to help you out. All right, hope you have a good week.